My name is Sagun Ghimire and I'm from Nepal.
My name is Mohammad Shadev and I came from Pakistan.
My name is Sumanpreet Kaur and I'm from India.
My name is Shrishti Gautam and I'm from Nepal.
My name is Mohammad Ashad and I'm from Pakistan. I'm doing Diploma of IT in AIBT Global.
In AIBT, tutors are very nice, they are very helpful. The way they teach us IT is outstanding and we can learn so many things from them.
I'm learning how to make a web page, webwoman. He helped me a lot and I was able to do my assessment and progress in my course.
I think teachers or trainers play a vital role. We are doing everything we can to motivate the students.
When I teach my students, I give a lot of exercise, a lot of the real case study in the industry.
Teacher and my friends, the students are very helpful. Whenever I stuck in anything, they help me out.
I love working with students from diverse background, and I can try to help them with their problems, providing pastoral care, and I would say it's joy teaching the students, seeing them learning. It gives me great joy and pleasure.
Not only for the course, we are reaching the students if they have any problems and issues. So we help students in all the way we can.
It's a pretty reputed college in Nepal. Everyone talks about AIBT. And also the study here and everything, which is really nice. So I would recommend AIBT.
I just visited the website and it was really quite affordable to me because since I'm an international student, I should think about the fees. It was affordable and course contents, it matched for me. For the student like me, they should choose diploma and advanced diploma of IT. They can learn from the basic. Going directly to university will cause you very diverse situations. So this will help you to go in the basic. You can start from the very beginning.
I see a lot of scopes in IT. You can be a programmer, you can do something with the networks.
You research, you will find there are medium to long-term skill shortage list. It means IT will continue to be in demand.
My dream job is to apply in multimedia company. Both of the country, I know after this diploma I can get a good job.
After finishing diploma and advanced diploma, I want to study bachelor in IT.
When I finish this one, my diploma and advanced diploma here, then I'll go to my bachelor's in IT.
Well, please come, we are open, join us and we'll help you guide through your career in IT.